Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your May month 2021 predictions, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So what's there for my Leos in the month of May 2021? Before that, I'm going to take one card from the guidance from the universe from my Moonology deck. Let's see what guidance is there for my Leos in the month of May. What guidance is there in the month of May for my Leos? You are very close to achieving your goal. Okay, so there must be some goal in your head, or you might be working really hard for something. So you are very close. Do not back out at this time. Okay, you might not be getting results at this time. You might be seeing that things are running very low, things are not going as per the pace you wanted, as per the speed you wanted. You might be wanting it really fast, but it has come like slow. It has become slow. So I would suggest you with these cards, just a second, yeah, with this card, that you are very close towards your goal. Okay, let's see what's there from my other deck. What more guidance do we have for my Leos? What's more is there? Fire magic. Wow. So this is telling me that you might be at this time fire is required. Fire magic is coming up. Okay, you changing the roles, because I see a chameleon over here. See, I think you can see it over here. Yeah, this one. See, I don't know why I just thought that. And it's like changing roles, changing your visibility. That is required this month. You have to show the world the real you, but still you do not have to show them before the situation, before the goal. Okay, because you are very closing in achieving your goals, but do not let others know what you are up to, what your thinking is, what you want in your life. Okay, do not tell anyone your goal. You should never, because this might hamper your growth. This might slow down your speed. So why to tell people, right? Okay, let's see now. Let's see your tarot. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies for my Leos. Okay. So at the back of the deck we have Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so something is coming up. You Leo, since you are a fire sign, see there's a lot of your energies. See, fire magic was there, and a lot of fire energies are here, Leos. Things really start to heat up when you come close towards your goal. They start to heat up, and you start feeling that things are not working according to you, but actually they are working. When you see that things are not fine around you, actually the main work is starting then. Because since the Wheel of Fortune is here, so this tells us that your goal, your wishes, whatever you want in your life is coming. Universe has your back, but it's up to you whether you believe it or not. When you are believing half of the situation, you are not fully believing it. Self belief is important. The belief in God, belief in the universe, that is important. The belief, okay, it is really important. And when that doesn't come, the situations, they just doesn't go the way you want them to go. Okay, so the past energies are Justice, Page of Pentacles, the World. Okay, see, in the past the situations were like you were starting a business, you were starting something, it didn't go well, it just ended. You start something new, again it ends. Okay, so things were like on and off, on and off. You were just trying to balance the situation, you were just trying to see things, where are they going, you were just analyzing situations, karmic imbalances. There were a lot of situations. I don't see a stability in the past. Okay, in the present we have the Ten of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Fool. You're again dealing with a lot of problems in your situation. This might be a communication, this might be a relationship, might be a business, might be some other situation, but you are in something, in a big trouble at this time. You really want to let this energy go. You are holding these 10 wands and you are like, I'm leaving it. Okay, but you are very close to achieving your goal. Do not step back from that situation, Leos. This, I don't know for whom this message is to be meant. I don't know to whom is this message going, which person needs in the world. Whosoever needs it, just do not back out now. Do not. You are trying, you are saying that let's just end this thing, let's go into something else. You have to finish first. If you have started something, finish it and then leave it. Okay, do not leave it in the middle. If this might be a relationship as well, do not just, without even seeing the situation around you, without even getting to know what was the reason why the other person is behaving the way he or she is behaving, just do not back out from the situation. Try to analyze the situation. In the coming future is the Tower, Seven of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Things are going to be pretty bad in the coming future as well. Things might not be very easy for you, but you have to be strong. Okay, the Tower, things might be ending. You might be getting, this might be a big destruction of your life, big change. Sudden changes are going to come. Sudden. You won't even know what is going to come. You cannot even imagine. But the situation is like, at least you will not be the one who is going to, this is the why I'm saying is because of this energy. You are at this time, you are already trying to let it go. You are not completing it. You just want, okay, I just want to finish it off. I might go to something else. I might start something new, but I'm not going to continue the situation. No, you have to continue. If the situation is not going, it will end itself. But do not try to impose your energies towards it. Let the universe handle it by itself. Okay, so let me clarify your cards more. Okay, so why the Wheel of Fortune is there? I am really getting positive vibes with the wheel. Wow, the sun is here. It's looking to me that if the time is really bad for you, which is going on, the good time is coming. Wheel of Fortune with the sun, very beautiful energy. Leo, good time is going to come towards you. Justice, Page of Pentacles, and the World in the past. Why these 3 cards are there? Please clarify. What things are we talking about? What are the situations? 5 of Pentacles, yes, a big loss. This loss might be financial loss, career loss, might be just left a job, a good job, and you might be in a financial pressure, might be a great loss of someone from the past, might be some person just, left you, some kind of a loss you have experienced in the past. What else? Magician, okay. You were working really hard for the situation. You had everything, but I see that you couldn't stop some things. When the world is and the justice is here, some situations are meant to happen. So you were trying to stop it. You were in the past, but you couldn't. Yeah. Actually, what the problem, which I think is, you might be involved in a lot of things. Okay, this might be if you were involved with more than one person, okay, in your life. This can be your the other person as well with whom you are dealing with. Somebody was very unsure about a relationship. Somebody was, you might be even it can be either you or your person, or it can be anyone. Somebody was unsure about a situation, about a job, about a business, about something in the past, and that is the reason why things went in vain. Because of that, because of the incomplete situation. I don't see that the situation was complete. No, I don't feel that, because it has come with the Five of Pentacles. The completion process had to happen, but by itself. But you completed it. You didn't finish it even, and that is why the things always, why you always start revolving in the same cycle, because of the same situation. You don't finish that situation. You have to come in that closure. The closures are important. Present energies: Ten of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Fool. Page of Swords, Knight of Wands again, the Fool again. Okay, wow. So the clarification: Knight of Wands and Fool, Knight of Wands and Fool from the other deck. Okay. I know your energies are really high at this time, Leo. Yes, again, you are just 1 inch away from starting something new. If this is a new relationship, you are not looking back to your old relationship. You have to just figure that relationship, why that relationship went, it just ended. You have to figure out some situations first, then only you will be able to make the other relationships better, make the other problems better. You have to learn some lessons from the past, then only just welcome the new energies around you. Okay, let me see the Tower, Seven of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Yeah, I think you have to have do some changes in your present. Only that is the reason why the past energies are coming the same as the your future energies are coming the same as the past energies. Because of this, the Tower, Seven of Cups, and the Five of Wands, the same things will happen again. If you have dealt with loss in the past, you will again deal with the same loss. You might be getting into more arguments, more destruction, because of the lessons unlearned. Okay, you have to learn some lessons. The Tower, Seven of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Yeah, I think it's a very stubborn behavior over here of someone who is not willing to learn lessons, who is literally just, I'm holding on to, I'm always right. This is a situation which is coming up in the future. You have to learn things. You have to so this is with the Six of Pentacles. I'm also getting that be more generous, be more, show gratitude towards the things which you already have. This is a very positive environment, but do not try to make it negative around you. People and situations, they will hamper your inner strength, your inner behavior. You will be hampered by other situations around you. So you have to deal with yourself first, then with the environment. All right, so that is all from my side, my Leos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.